So these might look different, but somehow they're actually the same. The top one might look bigger, but see? They're the same. It's crazy, huh? Yeah, I know. Uh-huh. Yeah, crazy. Okay, so this is pretty giant. Like crazy giant. I sorted all of these. I don't know why, but I just wanted to make a YouTube video and this is my idea. So I thought it was pretty good. And I just like sorting things. So I did this with all of these blocks and trains. So yeah.